Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. Polynomial. Polynomial is a combination of two terms. Poly means many. Poly means many. Nomial means terms. Okay. Polynomial means many terms. Okay. Now look at polynomial. What are polynomials? Polynomials అంటే ఏంటిది? A polynomial in X. A polynomial in X in an algebraic expression containing sum of finite number of terms. Finite number of terms means we can count in a polynomial. There are sum means addition. Finite number of terms are there. Okay, so in any polynomial means we can count how many terms are there. So look at in which form a into x power n for a real number a. Here a is a real number. This a is a real number and a should not equal to 0. Here it's form a x power n, no? Where a is a real number. Okay, a is a real number where n is a whole number. Understand? Means we can take any example. For example, 5 x power 0. Here 6 x power 1, 7 x power 2, 7 x square, 15 x cube minus 8 minus 18 x power 15. Okay, these are the example of the polynomial. Okay, here if you look at here, a is a real number. X power 0, 0 is a whole number. If you look at this one, 6x 1 power 1 means it is also a whole number 1. 6 is a number, real number. 7x square, it is a 2 is a whole number. 7 is a real number. Okay, likewise. You can also observe here, same, these are the polynomials. Now look at this one. Here 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 4 x power minus 1 by 2. Here plus 1 by 2 also. But this 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So we are taking that as a not polynomial. Now here if you observe here, if you observe this second term, okay, 4 x power minus 1 is there. This 1 is not a whole number. It is an integer. So it is not a polynomial. Look at this one. 4 plus x power minus x. Wait a minute. Now look at here. What is given? 4 plus 1 by x. This 1 by x we can write 4 plus x power minus 1. This one. Understanding? So this one we can write 4 plus x power minus 1. Here, if you observe this minus 1, it is not a whole number. So, it is not a polynomial. Understand? Thank you. Look at the following. Which of the following are polynomial? Not 2x cube. It is a polynomial. 1 by x. It is not a polynomial. Because it is, we can write 1 by x. We can write 1 by x means we can write x power minus 1. Minus 1 means it is not a polynomial. So, it is not a polynomial. 4 z square plus 1 by 7. We can write this is a polynomial only here. Okay. Now m square minus under root 2m plus 1. It is also a polynomial. Look at all degrees are in whole numbers only. Okay. Here m square here m power 1. So that is whole number only. P power minus 2 it is. So we can write this 1 by p square plus 1. Here, if you look at observe here, it is negative number, integer. So it is not a polynomial. Okay. Now look at degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. For example, what is the degree? Degree means if any polynomial is given, what is there? For example, a x 1 plus b. If you observe, it is a one kind of polynomial. Okay, here ax is one term, b is another term. So look at here x power 1 is there. So highest in complete expression, algebraic expression, highest power you have to take. In here, it is that what is the power? X power what is that? 1 means degree is degree is 1. Now look at if you take one more example, 5x square plus 3. If you take this algebraic expression polynomial, here look at degree, highest degree. Here nothing is there means 3 or 0. 3 x power 0 you can take. Okay, so if you observe here, what is this? X power x square. So from here, if you compare highest power how much? 2. So that we call as a degree. Highest exponent which is there, that is degree. If look at here, degree is one of our here example. You take 3x plus 1. It is the degree is 1 here. So degree 1 means if degree is 1, we call as a, that is linear polynomial. Okay. Now look at here. What is the degree 2? So we call as it is quadratic polynomial. Now look at one more example. Look at what is the if degree is 3. For example, you take here that is 3x cube plus 4x square plus 7. It is a one kind of polynomial. Okay. Now look at highest power. When here one term, this is second term, third term. When you are comparing this, which term has highest power? Here 3x cube. 3x cube is a 3x cube is a sorry 3x x cube. It is the highest power. Now degree is here. If you take it is the degree is 3. So we call as if degree is 3 means that we call as a cubic polynomial. Okay. Now it is a cubic polynomial. Now generally in general we can say that a a naught x power n plus p of x is equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus and it is continue a n n minus 1 x power x power 1 here. Okay, nothing is there, man. You can take x plus an. Here, nothing is there means that is x power 0 up to 0. It is a polynomial nth degree. If you observe, this is the polynomial. Huh? What is the highest degree here? Look at here. First term has the highest degree. So it is we call as a nth degree polynomial in variable x. Here, which variable we are using? Only one variable, that is x. So where a1, a2, a3 are the real number coefficient of x. Okay, you can take. Understand? But a not equal to 0. Okay, a not equal to 0 because we are telling nth degree term. So that is a it should not be 0. It is always either any real number other than 0. Okay. Thank you. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.